Good morning. You got me and the Dominator. He's around here somewhere. He had to drive, so for logistical reasons. Where you at, Dom? There he is. We got our stuff. We're getting loaded up. We're gonna make a Mississippi River adventure today. We're gonna take the barge up to the north side. It's a good little run. And we got some projects up there to hammer out. We're gonna make it happen. Oh, we got plenty of fuel. We're gonna make it across the river today. Me and the Dominator. We're gonna do a little bit of filming. Nice and calm. Everything looks good. We're kind of parked on a mud flat, but we can get off. We're gonna make it across the river today. Record time. We're at the Harvey Lock. The 4th Street Bridge has to open before we can go through. The lock's ready for us, and then we'll be in the Mississippi River. The mighty Mississippi. Harvey, Louisiana. Just south of New Orleans. Alright, so we're in the lock, all secured up to the wall. We're in the lock by ourselves. We're not coming up very much, just a little bit, about 3 feet. We're going to close the door behind us. Alright, they're opening the lock up for us. Where the river looks flat as a pancake. If you like this kind of stuff, some real adventure action, like and subscribe, and I'll keep you entertained as we cross the Mississippi River. Hello, mighty Mississippi. Here we go. Down the mighty Mississippi. I feel like Huckleberry Finn. So this is the skyline of New Orleans. Right in front of us from the water. And there's the Crescent City connection. Making it happen. Riverwalk. Coming up on the French Quarter. That glass building right there is the aquarium. And the French Quarter. So I have the feeling we're going to be sitting here for a while. That's the Army Corps engineers boat, and it's their crane, and they told us the lock is broken, and they're going to go in and fix it, but we're on the riverside. If we had to, we could get off right here, but I don't think they're going to want us to leave the boat here. But anyway, we got the spud poles down, we're anchored in good, we're not drifting around, everything's fine. The Dominator sitting here. We got another 3 hours. They're welding the big pin into the lock mechanism on the Mississippi River here, and we cannot get through till they fix it. So we're stuck on the riverside. Well, me and the Dominator are into 9 hours on the boat. And they shut the bridge down. They shut the locks and the bridge down during rush hour, so we have got to wait another hour to make our trip through. They did get the lock fixed, but we will have been sitting at this lock for 6 hours. We're making it happen, because that's what we do. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving, and we're gonna eat some turkey. So we gotta get this done. All right, we're finally in the lock. They got the gates fixed, and we're locking down from the river. So we running at night on instruments. It's pretty dark out there. Got a bunch of lights, a bunch of barges. It's the lower Mississippi in New Orleans. It's a pretty active, busy area. But we got about 3 more bridges to go through at night in the dark with monster barges and tugs all around us. We making it happen. That's what we do. All right, we cleared the Florida Avenue Bridge. We gotta go under 2 more bridges and through 1. We're gonna make it happen. That's what we do. And by land or sea construction. This bridge has to go up in front of us, and then there's 2 more bridges behind it that we can go under. And if you ever wondered where Folgers Coffee comes from, that's the Folgers Coffee plant right there in New Orleans. But this is what these monster tugs look like at night. Can't even see their barges, which go way out in front of them. But we wait for the bridge to go up again. That's I-10, the high bridge up on top. Probably see the cars going over. I don't know, it's pretty dark. That's I-10. Another mission successfully accomplished. We crossed the river, we prevailed, even though we had a 6-hour delay at the lock.